In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your saved Netflix password. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a couple of different ways how to do this. So I'm going to start with the first way. If you've got Samsung Pass or Password Manager on your mobile device, go ahead and open it. So I've got Samsung Pass on my device. So basically, you want to go ahead and open up that application, and that should have your password in there. So basically, come on over there, sign in, and then you want to go and click onto sign in info. Now it's a black screen here for security purposes. So basically, scroll down, look for Netflix, and then you're going to be able to see your password in there. Go ahead and click on reveal password. Now the next option is to go to Play or Google and basically go to your Google account. So click on manage your Google account. Now inside of manage your Google account, we want to go ahead and click onto Google password, security and sign in. So click into that and then scroll the way down here and click onto password manager. So you might be able to find your Netflix password inside of here. Now again, click into that, scroll down. This is going to look similar to Samsung Pass, and then find Netflix. So keep scrolling down. Here it is here. So I've got two accounts in here. So for security reasons, go ahead and click into it. Alright, so I'm inside of here. So this is my username, and obviously my password is hidden. So go ahead and click on that I to unhide that password. And like I said, this is going to be the same for your Samsung Pass or other password managers that are quite similar.